House. Once again, my name is Jong, and welcome to our brand new menu, this time featuring Neo-Italian cuisine. So, let's start with your first course. It's the one on your left. So, it's our carbonara arancini. So, it's deep-fried balls filled with cured fish belly carbonara. On top, we have garlic aioli with edible flowers. On the right, we have your second course, which is our oyster bruschetta. So it's toasted cheese with fermented oysters, ricotta, and giardiniera vegetables. So we recommend that you eat the one on the left first, and you guys can use your hands and maybe 1 or 2 bites. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Ibula naman. Diba? Ano?
9 out of 10.
Rate.
9 out of 10.
9 din sa akin. Ay, mga 8.5. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa fish.
Now, let's try the, ano to, bruschetta?
Hindi.
Bruschetta.
Ito hindi ko 7 out of 10.
Okay naman siya. Mga 7 na din. I-video ko.
Alright, so for tonight's next course, we have our zuppa di pesto. So it's kalabasa soup with a touch of creme fraiche. We also have fish and scallops. So on top, we have a slice of toasted bread with mussels and tarragon pork. So you guys can use your tablespoons for this course. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Sige. Yung ano na lang muna. Soup na lang. Sarap siya. Ano siya? Sa akin.
Baka mag-10 out of 10 yan, hindi mo kinain.
Yung ano, yung tahong. Mas.
Ako 7.
Ako 9 ulit.
Ako ba ano? 7.5.
Depende kasi sa pag-asa.
Panlasa.
7.5.
Right. So for tonight's next course, we have the rotondo of the sea. So it's a seafood bolognese made from a combination of fish, scallop, shrimp, squid, and mussels. We also have gorgonzola sauce made from the cheese, and on top, we have basil oil with peppers. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Sarap pag sa generate mo.
Ito, puro 9 out of 10. May kulang eh.
Ano ko lang? Ano?
Basta. Sa mangyayari akong kulang.
Ikaw, ano rate mo?
Hindi perfect.
Naagatan ako eh. Mga 7 siya.
Ako 8.
Mga 7. Ay. Thank you po.
Alright, and so for tonight's next course, we have our cappuccino parmigiana. So it's mozzarella foam with dehydrated eggplant, tomato jelly, and basil pesto. So the dish has many layers to it. So instead of mixing, what you can do is with your wooden spoon, you can dig in and then scoop out. Enjoy!
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Sarap. Sarap. Ayaw.
Masim yan.
Naasin. Okay
Pero
lang
ang
siya sa
galing.
akin.
Pero ang galing. Sa huli, hindi yung lasa. Sarap.
Okay lang siya sa akin. Masarap siya.
Ako
Hindi
din.
lang, hindi ko tingnan.
Kasi ano, na-expect natin na dessert. Diba? Masarap siya, nguyuin mo lang lahat. Sabay-sabay mo nguyuin. Ako okay lang siya sa akin. Siguro mga 7.5. Okay lang siya sa akin.
Magkakaiba ka tayo panlasa.
Pero dapat mas marami yung wine. Pero hindi siya yung parang i-crave mo lagi.
Hilo ko agad eh.
Right, so for tonight's next course, we have a palate cleanser, so it's our granita. So on your left, we have sous vide pears with pear powder on top. On the right, lemon cardamom sorbet. So you may use the provided teaspoons for this course. Good?
Palette cleanse.
Sarap siya. Hindi ko lang kaya yung ano niya. Yung asim niya.
Para ka lang pera. Ito naman taas yung kamas.
Hindi kasi ako kumakain ng peras eh. Kaya hindi ko ma-appreciate.
So for tonight's next course, we have our squid raviolo. So it's squid pasta with raviolo filling and orange vanilla breadcrumbs. On top, we have the Italian tricolor, made from a combination of celery, onion, and carrot purees. Enjoy!
Ano sa akin? 6.5.
Kasi,
Sige.
Tapos, lalabas ba?
Ayoko na.
ako sa baba eh.
Pero masarap naman yung sa gitna yung kain. Ayoko lang ito. Hindi wrap.
Yung onion. Lasa ng onion.
Hindi.
Yung onion, no?
Ano yun ba yan? Yung bilog na yan? Yung parang rubber niya.
Made siya sa onion. Alam ko onion to eh. Oo. Yung white.
Squid pasta shit siya.
Pero walang squid.
Flavor. Kung papakita niya yung agad.
Alright, so for tonight's main course, we have our fish sububo. So let's start with our mushroom risotto with olive salt and Parmesan cheese. Alongside it, we have our sous-vide talakito with ossobuco sauce and truffle oil. We also have gremolata as well as candy basil nuts. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Masarap siya rin, Nel. Tinry mo siya ihalo dito.